Scarlett? Okay. So I didn't get that quite right. You weren't that relaxed after the cuddle. You sort of still felt a bit restless. Is that right, Scarlett? Scarlett? You've nothing more to add? Okay.
Oh, it's a lovely story though.
It's quite moving. Yeah? And has it caused you to reflect on what helps you sleep and what doesn't? Yeah? You got anything to add? Do you think? Got anything to add, Scarlett? No? End of the story.